Jimbo's Garage.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to the shop. Well, a quick little problem that I had that I'd like to share with you. Today's video is sponsored by King Metals. They've got all your fabrication needs in one location. From hinges to hardware, balusters to metal decor, brass to aluminum, and a whole lot more. You name it, they've got it. Check them out today at kingmetals.com. Now let's get back to today's video. A couple of weeks ago, I went to do some aluminum TIG welding. And now mind you, I have done miles of this welding in the past and I had no problems whatsoever. I recently ran out of gas, went down and had some new gas, exchanged, bought out for some new gas, came back, hooked it up, and went ahead and started to weld, and I had nothing but distortion. Big problems, black, soot. I couldn't initiate an arc whatsoever. Couldn't figure out what the problem was. I started with the consumables. I changed my tungsten out. I changed the consumables out. Still the same exact problem. I changed torches out. I thought maybe there was something wrong with the torches. I checked my gas lines, all the stuff that you would normally do for this situation, and I couldn't find what the problem was. Now this is hours, very frustrating trying to figure this out. But what it boiled down to, in my case right here, was the flow meter. This is a dual flow meter that I've had on this bottle forever. Okay, the reason why I have a dual flow meter is I operate two different machines. This is argon, and I've got a couple of different TIG machines that I use with argon, so I have a dual flow meter. Maybe you guys have a single flow meter like this one right here. But the point that I'm trying to get across is, if you have a problem like this, I would definitely check. Now this might be a rare case right here, but in this case, this was the problem. I changed my flow meter out, everything is perfect. So there was some sort of a gas problem where it was sucking in air or somewhere along the line that was causing this distortion. So anyways, just a tip for you guys, if you're experiencing something you can't figure out what it is, check your gas line all the way from your bottle all the way to your machine. Be sure that there's no interruption. Be sure that your connections here are nice and tight. There would be no air leakage or no air place where gas could escape that would cause this problem. All right, so one way to check to see if you have a gas leak like this is get some soapy water, and that's what I did, by the way. I carry a bottle here that's got soapy water, and I sprayed all over the connections right here, both sides, everywhere. And in my case, it wasn't leaking, but this is a good way. If you think you might have some sort of a gas leak, spray this stuff on, it'll instantly bubble up where the leak is. But in my case, it was something that just went wrong with the flow meter, and just by changing that out, that was solved my problem. I hope you guys don't run into the same issue that I have, but if you do, hopefully this was a helpful hint. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.
See you next time on Jimbo's Garage.